We have to talk about it non-verbally and verbally. Non-verbally, while in speaker mode, we take on more symmetrical space, we're owning the space, we're sending all of these signals. Great, speaker mode. But when we're in listener mode, some asymmetry in the body, actually releasing the spine a little bit, tilting the head, signals more of the listening engagement signal. So those are just a couple nonverbal skills to let people know. Also nodding when it feels appropriate or authentic too, just to let people know you're receiving the information. So those are some nonverbal ways to signal that stuff, but I'm also just a huge note taker. If you are someone who knows not only do you want to be listening attentively and just absorb, but you also want to retain, and B, you want to ask the smart, probing follow-up questions. I like to keep a two-sided checklist when I'm taking notes, when I'm in listening mode. On the one hand, it's the actual phrases that someone's using as they're speaking. And then on the other side, like a shorthand question that I have, or a note that I want to build upon, right? So I'm tracking both the thing I want to directly respond to, which we talked about before, right? Because that's really signaling the engagement, the attentive piece, and the note to self about what do I want to circle back about.